In this video, we're diving into how to use the Practice Better Client Dashboard. Whether you're a coach, therapist, or health professional, this dashboard is designed to make managing your clients simpler, but is it really as easy as it sounds? Stick with me, because I'm going to show you everything you need to know, and by the end, you'll know whether it's the right fit for you, or if there's something better out there. First up, let's look at the main dashboard. When you log in, this is where you'll land. It's got a clean, simple design, which I do like, but it's easy to get lost at first because the features are spread out a bit. You've got quick access to your client list, upcoming sessions, and recent messages, which is handy. But if you're managing a lot of clients or a busy calendar, it can feel a bit cluttered, especially if you're using the free version, which limits some features. Next thing, let's talk about the client management tools. You can easily add, view, and edit client profiles, and this is one of the things Practice Better does well. Each client's profile shows their details, health data, and anything you've shared with them like notes or documents. But here's the thing, while this is all good, the interface could use a little more customization. You might find it hard to track certain data unless you're diligent about inputting it exactly how you want. The third thing to consider is the scheduling feature. It's solid. It integrates with Google Calendar and allows clients to book sessions directly. But like many other scheduling tools, there are some limitations if you're looking for more advanced features. For instance, the way it handles recurring appointments or different time zones can be a bit clunky at times. Now, let's move on to invoicing and payments. Practice Better lets you generate invoices and process payments directly through the platform. It's convenient, but I'll be honest, it's not as robust as some other tools out there. If you're running a larger practice, you might feel restricted by the lack of advanced financial reporting options or customization for your invoices. It gets the job done, but it's not perfect. The fifth thing is the communication tools. You can send secure messages to clients, and it's encrypted, which is great for privacy. However, the messaging interface feels a bit outdated. There's no real way to organize messages by client unless you go into their profiles, which can be time-consuming. And if you're sending lots of messages, it starts to feel like there could be a better way to stay organized. Next up, let's talk integrations. Practice Better connects with a lot of apps like Zoom, Stripe, and Google Calendar, which is nice, but compared to some of its competitors, the integration options are more limited. If you're relying on a broader set of apps to run your business, this might feel a bit restrictive. And now, the real question, is Practice Better worth it? It's a good option for solo practitioners or small practices who don't need too many bells and whistles. But if you're scaling your business or need more advanced features, there are other platforms that might better serve your needs. At the end of the video, I'll tell you about a special deal you can get through the link in the description. We've got an exclusive extended free trial of Practice Better, but I'll also be showing you some fantastic alternatives that offer more flexibility and features, also with free trials. So, if you're serious about finding the right platform for your practice, stick around for that. And as always, through our link, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else, just for our viewers.